Good morning, viewers. Welcome again to my channel, Second Matter, the solution to your math problems. Let's look at this past question on general mathematics, November-December 2024. So there's a past question, objective question number 25. So there is a diagram which shows the dimensions of the floor of an L-shaped room. So that is the floor of the room. It is in the shape of alphabet L. Now, if the cost of carpeting the floor is $2 per square meter, you have to find the total cost of carpeting the entire room. So our goal here is to find the total cost of carpeting the entire room, knowing that every 1 meter square comes at a cost of $2. So to find the cost, first of all, we need to find the area of the entire room. So how do we do that? So let's divide the floor into two. Let's divide the floor into two. So you have a choice. You can decide to divide it vertically or horizontally. So if you want to divide it horizontally, then you have to divide it along this line so that you have two different floors or two different areas. But in my case, I prefer dividing it vertically. So after division, you can see that we have two different floors or two different areas. So to differentiate the two, I'm naming the first floor as floor A and the second floor as floor B. Now the next step, let's also consider the dimensions, because without the dimensions, we cannot find the area. You can see that after the division, we are getting two different rectangles. And to calculate the area of each rectangle, we will need the dimensions of the rectangle. So what is the length of this distance? So the length here measures 4 meters. What of the length here? The vertical length here, 10 meters. This length, 4 meters. And the entire length here measures 10 meters. The entire length here measures 10 meters. By this time, it has been divided into two. So we want to find the length of each part. So the length here with respect to rectangle A. Because it's a rectangle, we know that the opposite sides are equal in length. So if this length measures 4 meters, then this length will also measure 4 meters. So what will be the length here? The length here will measure 6 meters because the entire length measures 10 meters. So now we are done with the dimensions. So now starting with floor A, the area of floor A. So let's calculate the area of floor A. So we know that the area of floor A is a rectangle. So a rectangle has two dimensions, the length and the width. So what is the length of what is the length of rectangle A? So that is the longest side, 10 meters. And then the width, the shortest side, so 4 meters. So can we calculate the area? Yes, so the area of floor A is equal to the length of floor A multiplied by its width. So we can do the substitution. We know the length of floor A as 10 meters. So this multiplied by the width, 4 meters. So what is the area of floor A? 10 meters multiplied by 4 meters, that is 40 meters squared. So we are done with the area of floor A. Let's also look at the area of floor B. So area of floor B. Again, you see that floor B is also in the form of a rectangle. So you will need the two dimensions, the length and then the width. So what is the length of floor B? The length of floor B, that is the longest side, 6 meters. The width of floor B, 4 meters. So can we calculate the area of floor B? So the area of floor B will be the length of floor B multiplied by the width of floor B. So we can do the substitution. The length measures 6 meters and the width measures 4 meters. So finally, the area of floor B, 6 meters multiplied by 4 meters. We have 24 meters squared. So what is the total area of the entire floor? So the total area of the entire floor. So what is the area of the entire floor? How do we calculate that? So that will be the sum of the area of floor A and the area of floor B. So the total area is giving us the area of floor A plus the area of floor B. And for the area of floor A, we have 40 meters squared plus the area of floor B, 24 meters squared. So we can evaluate this. 40 meters squared plus 24 meters squared. We have 64 meters squared. So that is the area of the entire floor, 64 meters squared. But we are looking at the cost. So the cost of carpeting the entire room. So what is the cost of carpeting the entire room? Now we know that for every square meter, that is for every 1 square meter, it comes at a cost of $2. This time we have 64 meters squared as the area of the entire room. So what will be the cost? So the cost will be the area multiplied by the cost, which is $2. And what is 64 multiplied by $2? This should give us $128. $128. So can you tell us the right answer? Yes, the right answer is option A. This was a very nice and interesting question under area. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please drop your reaction in the comment section. Thank you.